it's a book fair in Spanish with more than 30 authors that come, especially from Mexico, not only from Mexico, from other parts of the Hispanic world as well. And we start this Thursday. It's from Thursday, September 19 to the Sunday. It runs until the Sunday. And on Thursday and Friday morning, we start at 9 a.m. We will have especially students coming from the schools. I mean, we have an alliance with the Los Angeles school district, with the Unified District of Los Angeles, and they bring children. We have workshops for children. We have many activities for young adults and for children from 9 to 2 p.m., from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then in the afternoon, Thursday and Friday, we start activities for everybody. For instance, on Thursday at 4 p.m., we will have a very singular show because it's like a match with literature and music. Three wonderful Mexican writers who are also singers, it's like it's very funny because they sing very well. They will talk about a story called El Mariachi. They will talk about El Mariachi, but that's a short story. We won't have a mariachi. We will have them singing and playing guitar. They will sing Jose Alfredo Jimenez, Juan Gabriel's music, pop music, Mexican popular music, and it's a mix with literature and music. That's on Thursday evening. On Friday, once again, we will have kids coming from schools, 10 workshops where kids will be building, like handcrafts, and they will be listening to stories. Everything's in Spanish. And then from 4 p.m. on, we will have also some other panels, once again with literature and things, and very important things. For instance, we will have the screening of Un Día Sin Mexicanos, A Day Without Mexicans by Sergio Arau. That movie that started it was made 20 years ago, and it was like a crack 20 years ago. What happens in the United States if Mexicans go away? There are no waiters, there are no services. I mean, what happens without Mexican here? And that's the movie. We are going to screen that movie with the director, Sergio Arau, and one of the actresses, which is Yareli Arizmendi. Well, no, there's no cost at all, and the website is LEA, L-E-A, guion, I don't know how to say guion in English, LA, LeaLA.com.